test the waters.
Boxing TV.
Alright mga kaboxing, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Kurt Pabular versus Archel Villamor Jr. Didepensahan po dito ni Archel Villamor Jr. ang kanyang titulo na Philippine Youth Light Flyweight title na belt.
Archel Villamor in the black and yellow trunks versus Kurt John Pabular in the white, red, and blue trunks. From MP Davao naman itong si Kurt John Pabular.
Si Kurt Pabular, in a mold of a Rene Cuarto type of a boxer sa 105. Sabi ko nga itong Archel Villamor, it's a very slick fighter. He is very scientific. He will hit you with tons of jabs and he move away. He is doing side-to-side movement. So style makes fights. I think si Pabular more on brawler.
Right. Let's see. Pabular is the southpaw kaliwete. So obviously, we have to watch out for a clash of heads right here.
Yeah.
Lalo when they're like weaving and
Susceptible yan.
bobbing like that.
Tama ka dyan. Very well-timed observation dyan sa mga ganyang kanan-kaliwa, orthodox southpaw na laban.
A jab lands right there for Pabular.
Again,
Villamor pins him down.
Partner, we are your commentator for this evening about Alvin Escof, Real Fight PH, and Rica Aquino Uy of Baby Dynamite Sports, collectively known as Recalvination.
A left hook and an uppercut for Pabular. Villamor eats those punches. Sabi mo nga, itong si Pabular is more of a swarmer, no?
Yeah.
Or a brawler. A power puncher. He really sits on those punches. Ito namang si Archel Villamor, we all know him to be more of like a stick and move kind of puncher, no?
But in this opening canto, I think Villamor is trying to test or load up some of his heavy punches. Kung just a testing of waters.
Yes. So, alam mo, sabi nga natin kanina, the first round is very important to test the waters.
Ayun mga kaboxing, tinamaan ng solidong suntok,
Hook right
tinamaan ng left uppercut at saka left hook.
Pabular.
Ayun mga kaboxing, last 10 seconds, mukhang masisave by the bell itong si Archel Villamor.
Goes in for the
Yun.
Archel Villamor.
Pinanata na ni Kurt yung kalaban niya.
Bumaksak siya.
Ayun mga kaboxing, kung nagustuhan niyo yung ganitong content, huwag niyo kalimutan i-like at i-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel. Salamat po. Ito na mga kaboxing, beginning of the second round.
White, blue, and red trunks. Itong si Archel Villamor is wearing black and yellow.
And I think as early as now, medyo yung Pabular is thinking to end the show kasi natikman na di ba?
Tama.
Natikman niya na yung mga punch niya. So, we'll see.
Some bit of wrestling right here. Kurt Pabular is able to get out and launches those heavy left hooks and upper right
A
hands.
barrage of punch for Pabular. Villamor is holding it on right now from this barrage of punches given by Kurt John Pabular. Originally, Pabular is listed a minimum weight.
Right.
So, but he did accept this fight. Pero nakita mo naman yung timbang niya kapon, 105.2. Talagang normal weight niya talaga yung minimum weight. And I don't know, there's some reports that Villamor did make a 107.9 pounds. Pero medyo siguro yung cutting, napakahirap din talaga sa boxing. I don't know if he recover well after that weigh-in. So may mga report na ganon. Pero unconfirmed report yun na nahirapan siya sa timbang.
Here we go. Partner.
Ang hindi ko nakikita kay Villamor ngayon, yung ano niya, yung
Distansya.
tsaka yung ano, there's a sense of confidence. Kasi pag lumalaban yung batang yan, yung confidence niya nandoon. I don't know, maybe the recovery part. Pero it's not for us to judge Villamor. Pero hindi ganyan lumaban yung bata.
An upper hook upper by Archel, seemingly gaining momentum here at the last seconds of round 2.
Tsaka partner, I'm so important din kasi yun.
That's a huge deal, actually.
Important yung mag-midweight ka. Yung recovery,
Right.
important din yun.
Of course, of course. I mean, it's yung there you go, short hooks right there by Pablo.
Nakatayo lang kasi si Villamor right now. He's not moving his legs. He's not moving side to side. So he is very vulnerable to a brawler similar to Kurt Jana Pabular. Nakita mo yung paa, partner. Wala yung paa niya is not laterally moving well. Kasi lagi tayong nagko-cover ng Archel Villamor. He is a different fighter right now. Maybe the knockdown.
And you're right, maybe the recovery process was a little tougher on him. And tama ka yung observation mo, he's a little bit flat-footed now.
Yeah, definitely. Kung hindi mo napapanood tong batang tong lumaro, obviously hindi mo alam.
Pabular goes to the body and up top with that combination. Archel Villamor with that upper and hook. Up top, they're entangled right now. Referee Gerald Tumildan pulls them apart. Some dirty boxing from both boxers right now. Both of them targeting the body. Archel Villamor launches that double. Alam mo yun yung isa pa din na wala, no?
Jab.
The jab of Archel. Right now, he's doing more of it.
A nice body by Villamor.
Right. That was a good body shots. A series of punches by
Nice exchange by
Villamor.
both fighter. Parang nabuhay na konti yung Villamor, partner.
Yeah. You're absolutely right.
I
partner.
think
As
medyo
he should.
medyo nasaktan niya konti sa katawan si Pabular. But Pabular answers with a flurry to
And towards our boxers, no?
tsaka partner. After this event, abangan natin yung UKC event on June 8. Dito rin tayo sa Elorde Grand Ballroom. UKC promotion naman tayo by Ma'am Kukoy Elorde.
Tama ka dyan, partner. No, we're on a roll. Elorde events here at the Elorde Ballroom.
Gusto ba sabihin sino main event? Medyo
sa
katabi ko
June
lang.
8.
Carlo Diaz.
Yeah, Carlo Diaz is on a roll, kasi it's been our main event for so many UKC fights already. There you have it, a fire fight happening right now.
Villamor must do something on round number 4, partner. I think that knockdown and probably one decisive round for Pabular. It's already a 4 round. Or should I say, kung nakuha ni Pabular yung 10-8 at makakuha siya ng isang malinis na round, obviously tatlong round na yung nakuha ni and nandito na tayo sa 4th round. He must do something. I'm speaking about Archer Villamor.
Right. That's an uppercut that got through for Villamor. That's a good moment for him. Pabular goes back with that, ties him up, tries to sneak in some uppercuts there. Tama kayo, Sir Norman Novio. No? What's more brutal than boxing is really disrespect. That's more brutal. I'm not sure. I don't want to say it describes us as a people, how we treat our boxers and how we treat our, I don't know. I'm more disappointed than insulted actually.
Yung clash of heads talagang maraming instant na tumama.
Yeah.
Kasi kaliwa kanan talaga obviously pasugod sila pareho eh.
You're right, and of course, when you're coming in, you're moving your head, you're changing levels, so it's really something that's bound to happen. Sana wag naman, no?
Seconds left of round number 4.
Some bit of arm wrestling from these two. Alam mo, partner, yung wrestling is part of boxing also, no? How you position yourself, how you use your weight to gain advantage, or how you tie up somebody. A quick, legal move unless you do it excessively. Yeah, even the greats do that. Floyd Mayweather does it. So yeah, more boxing education for the fans will help you enjoy the fights, no? Nice counter by Villamor. Oh, nice check hook. Left straight by Villamor. Fighters. Oh, wow! It's a slip by Pabular. A minute left in round number 5. This is a drag out affair, partner. Talagang basaan kung tawagin to. Right. And round 5, we still have 3 more rounds to go. Anything can happen. That was a straight and a
Nice.
jab by Villamor.
Nice tip jab by Villamor. Again,
Another
right jab
yeah.
did connect for Villamor. I wonder bakit ngayon niya lang ginagawa yan, partner.
I think he's recovered.
Ah,
I think mentally he was affected by that knockdown and physically medyo wala siyang tuhod kanina, walang paa. But
round number 6 of this 8th round affair. This is for the Philippine Youth Light Flyweight title that being held right now by Archel Villamor Jr. Just a quick update on this fight. Villamor is down on round number 1 of this fight.
right now Villamor is gaining success with the jab, but Kurt Pabular answers with the jab, straight uppercut.
Parang straight upper, no? So caught between the two punch, no?
Tama ka dyan, partner.
We are seeing some bounce already on the tail end of round number 5, and I think the bounce of Archer Villamor is gaining momentum on round number 6. Whether or not he will take this 6, 7, 8 round, it's for us to see.
You're absolutely right, partner, no? Like I said, boxing is very unpredictable. Maybe in the first 3 rounds, there's a different outcome. The final 3 rounds, there's a different outcome. So let's see this fight unfold in front of us.
Tama ka. Baka yung round number 1, he was really stunned with that knockdown, and he's gaining a recovery right now. Nice 1-2 combination by Pabular. Oh, nice left, stiff left by Villamor.
Alam mo kung si Villamor, his punches come from different angles. So they're short. And then, ngayon, ginagawa na niya. I think tama ka, no? He's gained this momentum. Oh, that's a good right by Pabular. Quick right hand. Both of them still have that hand speed.
Kasi hindi mo magagawa yung ginagawa ni Villamor ngayon without that foot movement eh.
Right.
Kung nakatayo ka lang dyan, you could not do that punches.
There you have it. A more aggressive Archel Villamor in the tail end of this round. Pabular goes up top with that hook.
End of round number 6.
Nagulat ako, akala ko mga 7 pa lang, partner.
Round number 7, second to the last round. Will we crown a new champion sa gabing ito, or will Archel Villamor retain his title? But definitely, Archel Villamor must dominate this last 2 rounds. Merong clash of heads na nangyari, and the referee have signaled that the clash of heads was because of accidental headbutt.
Right. Very important to know the difference, no?
Kasi by the minute na nangyari yon, kailangan sabihin mo na doon sa committee kung yung headbutt caused by a punch or a headbutt.
Again, yung mga ganyang pangyayari, like you said a while ago, in the case of Charlie Suarez, no, very, it defines the result of something as important as that. So, kailangan very, tayo sa ganyan.
Kasi yung referee nung kay Charlie Suarez make a quick definition agad na headbutt doon. Headbutt daw yung nangyari. Nagtataka lang ako, nagkaroon ng instant replay. So I don't know if the California rules na may instant replay na sila. But on my knowledge, parang walang instant replay sa boxing.
Naku, yung mga nasa comment section, wag naman tayong maging regionalistic. Lahat naman tayo Pilipino. Yung mga ganyang away ng Mindanao, Luzon, Visayas, Diyos ko naman, wala na tayo sa panahon ng hindi na tayo pre-colonial times, na-unify
Pilipino yan
na
pareho
tayo.
eh.
Oo.
Pilipino pareho yan.
Huwag naman kayo mag-away.
Pero ano sa amin yan? Engagement sa amin yan.
Right. Mahal, hayaan nyo na si AC Garcesa. Baka walang nagmahal sa kanya nung bata siya. Kaya hayaan nyo lang siya, ilabas niya yan. This is his moment of fame. Diba?
Nandito na naman tayo sa mga ganitong tagpo at
Ingat lang tayo. Ingat tayo sa mga pinapakawalan nating salita.
I don't know. Ayoko na
Medyo
mag-comment.
medyo below the belt na yung mga comment dito. I mean, you know what? This reflects more on the person making the comment than our boxers. So, hayaan lang natin sila.
Again, our judges for this bout are Antonio Comia, Don Arguelles, and Sylvester Abainza. End of round number 7. Final round.
In fights, I mean, I'm not saying that
Tsaka to add on to that, ay nag-usap kami dati ng isang well-renowned trainer partner na si Marvin Semodio. Isang
Makagaling,
US-based na trainer. Sinasabi niya talaga sa mga boksingero niya, kailangan gamitan mo ng gulang yan.
Right.
Lalo na sa 12 round, 10 round fight. Hindi mauubos ka sa kakasuntok.
Tama.
You must know how to clinch
and you have to be smart.
and hold on.
Yeah.
Sabi niya,
Exactly.
kung wala nun, you probably would not survive technically sa US.
Right. And it helps, it helps to widen your vocabulary in terms of boxing para mas ma-appreciate mo pa yung laro. Kasi the more versed you are in boxing, in the language of boxing, mas ma-enjoy mo yung laban, and less ka magre-resort to name calling or to insulting people.
Pero masaya rin in quote unquote social media world na nandito kayo lahat and talking about these
Right.
things. It add on to the flavor
Right.
sa page namin, sa laban na to, sa amin dalawa.
Right.
It's beneficial to us.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know if it's beneficial to them, but I think it's beneficial to us who is trying to live stream this event. Diyan lang naman kami kikita eh. Diba? So,
Right.
we might as well maximize these things for our favor.
May challenge ako, partner. Pagandahan ng thesis defense. Sinong tingin nyo nanalo dito? Pero dapat may substantiation. Hindi
mahirap
pwedeng
yan.
name calling lang, ha?
Oo, sige,
Dapat
sige.
merong may
Pag yung nagustuhan kong comment kung sino nanalo, bibigyan ko ng real fight merchandise.
yun, no? Gandahan nyo na ang thesis defense ninyo. Yung may substantiation, ha? Yung may magandang paliwanag.
Sige. Ano ako dyan? Game ako dyan.
Right. Let's see.
Sabihin nyo sa amin kung sino sa tingin nyo ang nanalo para sa inyo. Merong explanation ha.
Tama.
At pipili ako ng isa.
Right.
Isa or dalawa. At bibigyan ko ng Real Fight PH merchandise.
So mamaya i-check na yan ni Ninong Alvinesco. We have 10 seconds to go in round number 8. have it. End of the bout.
And gentlemen, after 8 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Tony Comias scores about 76-75. Donald Bredes scores about 76-75. And Sylvester Aba Inza finds it 76-75 all to the winner by unanimous decision. And now the new
Ayan po mga kaboxing, unanimous decision po pabor kay Kurt Jan Pabular. Congrats po.